Hello, welcome to another bulk image edit tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be going over the file rename function. You can find it on our homepage or on the sidebar. Let's get started. Having good file names is important as it allows search engines to easily find your images, which will improve your store search engine ranking. Let's select the product images. We're going to edit the product shirt. As you can see, we have 3 images on our store. We can choose how we want to edit by the recommended template, which is just going to update the file name to the product title, or with a custom template. I think I'm going to customize my own template, and I'm going to have the product title plus hextom. Start the task, and we'll wait for the task to finish. Now that the task is finished, let's check the details. As you can see, we have shirt, shirt hextom 2, and shirt hextom 3. The number is automatically added by our app. It is the index number in your product's media gallery. This is because Shopify does not allow images to have the same image name. If Shopify detects that 2 images have the same name, it will insert random numbers and letters to make it not the same. Our app will automatically insert the image index number in order to prevent this randomization. We can also individually rename files. Let's go back to product images. Let's go back to shirt. As you can see, this button appears. Select individual images for editing. Select the button, and we select our 3 images. Now we can individually rename them. I want to rename this to shirt red. I'll rename this one shirt blue. I'll rename this one shirt orange. Start the task, and we'll wait for the task to finish. Now the task is finished, let's check the details. As you can see, the images were renamed to the names we specified. We have shirt orange, shirt blue, and shirt red. That's all for today, and I'll see you with the next tutorial.